What is this sorcery? Isn't red supposed to make it stop? Isn't purple supposed to make it celebrate? This video is going to show you how you can use the Indi app to create crazy puzzles like this, and how you can print your own puzzle booklet so you can enjoy hours of fun. So you might know this, but you can connect your Indi to an app called Edu Jr, and then you can change the behaviours of every coloured tile. So for example, on red, instead of just making it stop, I changed it to decelerate, which is the same as the yellow tile usually does. But on purple, I got rid of the celebration action. I made it accelerate. So it was a bit like a green tile. So you can change the behaviours of every tile to whatever you want. And that's how I made my Indi go around a large figure 8, ignoring the usual commands for the red and the purple. I made this booklet full of puzzles that you can print out yourself. And on one side of the page, it has a couple of asterisks which indicates that there's some things that need to be changed. And on the opposite side, it actually shows you a bit of a solution. So the goal is that you can print them out, fold them in half, if you like, and on one side you'll have a bit of a puzzle, which suggests for this one, on the figure 8, you need to change 2 colours, purple and red. On the other side, it shows you what the solution is. You need to change the red one so they go straight, and the purple one so that it goes straight as well, but you can use the slower one and the faster one on each. So there's a solution on the back of each card. So the cards are designed to print on a single page, and you can fold them, and then after you fold them, you can either laminate them or stick them into a document wallet. So for mine, I decided to put them in a document wallet. They are designed for you to be able to put questions on one side of the page, and then you flip it over and see the answers on the other side. So if you're going through the booklet, you'll see all the asterisks on the right hand page, and if you can't do it, then you can turn the page and get a bit of a solution. But my document wallets have 20 pages, so it's good that I've got 20 pages of problems with a solution on one side and the problem on the other. And you can arrange them in any order you like. I mean, there's a couple here that involve a bit of music, so they could be towards the back maybe because they're a bit trickier. But basically, when I put mine in my document wallet, I put the easy ones at the start, and like this one's quite an easy one. So you fold that one half and put that one towards the start. But you always have the asterisks on the same side. So for my booklet, all the problems are on the right hand side. So as they flick through the book, they can see the problem and then turn the page and see the solution. And the great thing about my booklets are that once you purchase the PDF, you can print as many copies as you need. So if you've got 10 Indis in your classroom, you could do 10 booklets if you want, or you can just get good value out of getting one booklet. It's up to you. You can print as many as you need for your own self or classroom or even school. I don't mind. So once you stick them all in, you've got a fantastic booklet that's got 20 puzzles, and they're all completely different, and they're all designed by me, and they've all been tested, and they're fantastic. And the kids can either try to solve the tricky ones with the asterisks, or turn the page, and even solving it, the answer straight up, copying it straight out of the back is still pretty tricky. Just a reminder, you will need the app to use this booklet. So you've got to connect your Indi to a device, and then once you've done it and you've made your booklet look beautiful, there's a resource that you can use for years and years and years, and you get to keep the files forever, so you can print them every year if you need to. And here's a shout out to my newest member, Marcelo. Thanks for joining my channel, mate. Well done. You're awesome. And if you haven't seen my original video about the Indi app, check this video out.